संसारदावां नलितलोका त्राणाय कारुण्यघनघनत्वं प्रप्तस्य कल्याणगुणार्णवस्य वन्दे गुरुश्रीं चरणारविन्दम्। महाप्रभु की तनरुत्यगीतां वादित्रमार्चान् मनसोरसेन रोमाञ्चकां पाशुतरङ्गभाजम् वन्दे गुरुश्रीं चरणारविन्दम्। श्रीविग्रहाराधननित्यनानं शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनादं युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरुश्रीं चरणारविन्दम्। चतुर्विधा श्रीं भगवत्प्रसाद स्वादन्नतृप्तां हरिभक्त्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भजत सदैव वन्दे गुरुश्रीं चरणारविन्दम्. Shri Guru is like an auspicious cloud giving us the waters of Krishna, extinguishing in the heat, the forest fire of material existence, and by giving us Krishna. He is always engaged in the loving service of Bhagavan, in the Nama, loving service of Bhagavan, in the Shri Vigraha, and the Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities. Suhrudam Sarva Bhutanam. Shri Radhika Madhavayorapayor Madhurya Leela Gunarupa Namnam Pratekshana Swadhanalolupasyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. In this way, Shri Guru is always engaged in the loving service of Bhagavan and relishing everything about Bhagavan, about Bhakti, about Bhagavan, Nama Rupa Guna Leela of Bhagavan. That is Guru Gruha, the house of Shri Guru. Guru Samsara, the world of Shri Guru, is all filled with Krishna. Krishna, 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 and Krishna, and Krishna, and Krishna, and Krishna. Inside, out, outside, in, all that time, everywhere. Krishna Samsara. And we are placed in that beautiful reality when Shri Guru becomes our world. And then Shri Guru's world becomes our world. Very simple, straight, simple. Nikunjayo no radikeli siddhai yayali vir yukti rapekshaniya tatrati daksha tativallabhasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Mahajanayena Gatassa Panta is simple, straightforward, no-brainer. As it is. And the mind and intelligence, it will get bewildered. Ye kya ho raha hai? No. There should be something complicated here. Let me complicate this. And I don't have to complicate Bhakti. Bhakti is waking up to this reality of Sri Bhagavan Vacha, presented as it is by the Acharyas. Waking up and being with these very simple people. Acharyas are very simple, straightforward. Just being with them, hearing them again, we wake up to the reality. That's all. The sadhana bhakti is just waking up to the reality. Raga bhakti is living in the reality. Nikunjayono Ratkelisithai Yayali Biryuktira Pikshaniya Tatrati Daksha Tati Vallabhasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Sakshat Haritvena Samasta Shastrai Yuktastada Bhau Yatena Sadbhi Kintu Prabhuya Priyaiva Tasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Yasya Prasado Bhagavat Prasad Yasya Prasado Nagati Kutopi Dhyayam Tuvam Tasya Yasya Trisandhyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Shri Guru is Radhika Presake is Krishna Kripa Shri Murti has decided whose mission is to give us the love of Godhead. Supreme Bhakta Krishna Kripa Shri Murti. In this way, the mercy of Bhagavan is very beautifully, wonderfully coming as mercy of Shri Guru. Simple, straightforward. Mahajana Yena Gatas Panta Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamoye Savadhana Mate Jahara Prasade Bhai Bhavatoriya Jai Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaha Hoite. Again, simple, straightforward. Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaha Hoite. Wherever Shri Guru is there giving us Krishna very mercifully, waking us up to the reality and engaging us in the Krishna. That's all. Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaha Hoite. No brainer. Guru Mukha Padma Vakyam Chitate Kori Aikyam Aranang Kori Ho Mani Asha Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttama Gati Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asha Chakshudam Dilu Jai Janme Janme Prabhu Se Divya Gnan Hridaya Prakashita Prema Bhakti Jaha Hoite Avidya Vinasha Jate Veda Gaya Hara Charito Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Janar Bandhu Lokanath Lokera Jivana Ha Prabhu Koro Daya Dehamore Pada Chayam Ei Bijashu Shutri Bhuvana Srila Prabhupada Patita Pavana Gurudev Hoilo Sharana Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Srila Prabhupada Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Shri Guru Pyo Namaha Vanchakalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya Vichapatitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. All the Vaishnavas are like desire fulfilling trees. They are very dear to Govinda. Taking the dust from the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. There was a question in the past, how to understand this? Taking the dust from the lotus feet. That was a question. But yesterday, in the Sankirtan, it was all clear. Oh, so yeah. Vaishnavera padadhuli tahe mora snana keli torpun mora Vaishnavera nama dhana mora nityananda pati mora gaura chandra prana mora Yogala Kishora. Beautiful. Vrindaye Tulasi Devyai Priyaye Kesavasya Cham Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. All this takes us to groves of Vrindavana, the land of divine love, the land of divine love, the beautiful reality. As we speak, this is where we belong to. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namaha Radha Krishna Seva Pao E Abhilashi Eto Mara Sharanaloi Taravancha Purna Hoi Kripa Kori Koro Tarim Vrindavan Vasi Moraye Abhilash Vilas Kunjati Yovas Naya Neha Ribo Sadam Yugalaruparasi Aini Vedanatharum Sakhiranugata Kurum Sevadi Karodiyum Kuruni Chadasi. See, when our mood is set right and is waking up to the reality, then when this mood is set right and has come to this Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chittete Kuriya Aikya Shri Guru Pyo Namaha, then the holy name that is given by Shri Guru is also received in the right mood as prasad. So in this way, a great attachment to the holy name happens, and the holy name purifies us inside out. This attachment to the holy name takes us to the absorption in the Rupa Guna Leela of Bhagavan. So when we hear Krishna Katha, beautiful Krishna Katha about Rupa Guna Leela of Bhagavan, because there is attachment to Bhagavan in the Nama, and the heart is purified, the whole Katha sits in the heart. So in this way, Nama is Avishkarana. Avishkarana is revealing, opening the curtain of Rupa Guna Leela. So whatever Krishna Katha that we heard before, it may just sound good for temporary, for time being, and after the Katha is over, it's very likely that's coming back to normal again. And also sometimes it happens Krishna Katha is going on, but the mind is still going on somewhere else. Why is it happening? Because the mood is not right and the heart is not pure enough. Who will do that? वो तो prep तो होना है ना, for the Katha to enter and sit in the heart. All the prep is by the bhajans of acharyas. All the purification is by Nama. Acharyas, they show us the standard कि ऐसा होना है. And how do one get to that standard? Through the Vaishnavas, Nityananda Ram, following the instructions and teachings of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, one gets to that standard. And by a great attachment to the Nama, we stay in the purified state. Tap Katha sunte to, whoever may speak, however they may speak, even the word Krishna, when it is uttered by somebody playfully also, it comes and sits in the heart. What to speak of Krishna Katha then? Purposefully hearing Krishna Katha then. That is how the Nama reveals the Rupa Guna Leela of Bhagavan. The Katha sitting in the heart. Then the deities, the darshan of the deities will be very different from what it was before. In this way, Sri Radha and Krishna, we will see that they are present right in the Nama, in the Katha, and they just sit in the heart. So this is how one comes and slowly comes This is how the bhajans of the Acharyas, Vaishnavas, Nitai, Gauranga, come, brings us to Nama, and the Nama reveals the Rupa Guna Leela of Sri Sri Radha Madhava, giving us the Prema, Krishna Prema.